Welcome back to the next video lesson on Songs for Language. So last time we had a session on Songs for Language with a nursery rhyme titled Little Star. And so today I'm going to continue with that. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now that you have listened to the song, let's do an activity. Find out words that show some actions or state of being and underline those words. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. All right. Now what we need to do is we need to find out words that show some actions, right? All right. When the blazing sun is gone, right? So here is shows a state of being. So we need to find out words that show some actions or state of being. So I'm going to underline this, right? When the blazing sun is gone, because this shows about the state of sun, right? The sun being gone. When he nothing shines upon, shines. So this is an action, isn't it? So we are going to underline this word too, shines. Then you show your little light, show. So show is also an action, right? Then you show your little light. So since show is an action word, we are going to underline this too, right? Then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Right, so twinkle. So twinkling is again here an action word. Twinkle, twinkle. So we'll underline this word. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder. I wonder. So again, this is an action, right? You're thinking, I wonder what you are. So I'm going to underline this as well. I wonder what you are. So you are the state of being, right? So what we have done is we have underlined all the words that show some actions or state of being. So let's find out what these words are called. The words that you have underlined are called verbs. Verbs are words that show some actions or talks about something that happens. They also show a state of being. Next one, find out words that are used in place of a noun and circle those words. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So here, what we have to do next is we have to look for words that are used in place of a noun, right? And what we have to do? Yes, we have to circle them. So when the blazing sun is gone, so if you remember in my previous video lesson, we learned about nouns and adjectives. So you know, right? When the blazing sun is gone. So sun is, yes, is a noun. So we will look for a word that replaces sun. When he nothing shines upon. So here, he stands for sun, right? So we are going to circle this word. When he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light. So here U stands for, yes, star, right? The little star. So then you. So we are going to circle this word as well. You show your little light. So we can also circle your, but as of now, I'm going to discuss the basic thing, right? So that's why we'll keep that for the next video, right? So twinkle, twinkle all the night. Here we don't find any word that replaces a noun. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder, right? I. So please remember, so I can be used as a noun and sometimes it can be used in place of a noun as well, right? So I'm going to circle this. I wonder what you are. So we are going to circle this word as well, what you are, right? And if you remember from our previous video lesson, we talked about noun and adjective, isn't it? So let's see if you remember. Sun is a noun, you remember, and blazing describes the sun, right? The noun sun. So blazing is an adjective. So the sun is a noun, whereas blazing is an adjective, right? It describes the noun. Just a sort of quick review and recap of what we have learned earlier, right? When he nothing shines, but then you show your little light. So if we take light as noun here, little light. So this is describing the noun. So this will be adjective, right? Little is adjective, light is noun. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Again, night here is noun, right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Again, little here is adjective and star is a noun. Okay, let me do it this way. How I wonder what you are, right? So, let's see what these words are called other than adjectives and nouns, the words that we have circled. The words that you have circled are called pronouns. So pronouns are words that take place of nouns in a sentence. They are used to avoid repetition of the same nouns. So it doesn't look nice if you keep on saying or using the same noun again and again. So in order to avoid that repetition, pronouns are used. So this is all for today. And I wish you a safe stay and happy learning. So see you soon in my next video lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.